Okay, we're live on YouTube, back on the record with County Court Law number 6 via Zoom remote for their daily docket for 2/23/2021. And I've got attorney Benjamin Doherty here representing Stephanie Lopez, clause 646730. Mr. Doherty, are you in contact with Ms. Lopez at this time?
I am, Your Honor.
And have you received an offer from the state on this case yet?
I have, Your Honor.
And be able to determine what you want to do?
I can't at this point. There were two issues. One, I was informed by the court coordinator that there may be a warrant out for my client. I haven't heard anything on that front.
It turned out to be a Stephanie Lopez instead of, no, not a Stephanie, a Sonia Lopez, but it was somebody else. I did not see it anymore.
Okay,
Well,
no warrant out, so we're good on that one.
No.
Okay. I guess I need to see if I have a complete evidence file. My suspicion is that there is some body cam footage that could make or break the case. And I have received it.
And I apologize, I'm having a hard time hearing you. It sounds like you're in a cave. You're having an issue with the discovery or the facts of the case, or what is our issue?
Discovery.
Is she eligible for pretrial diversion? Do we know that?
I'm sorry?
Is she eligible for pretrial diversion? Is that something that might resolve this deal?
I'm not sure what the eligibility for pretrial diversion in this instance is.
Judge, I'd have to double check, but I think she would be eligible.
You want to take another week bite and give them a chance to see if he's eligible for pretrial diversion? Is that something y'all would consider?
If I could speak with the prosecutor and tell him exactly the body cam.
Sure.
And if I can get that body.
What do you want to arrest with, Nick or Alexa?
Is it body camera of the actual arrest, or are you talking about like undercover?
Yes.
Okay, SAPD told me that they only have audio when they're undercover, no actual like video.
Okay, but in that instance, the second non-undercover officer, even if he doesn't want to release his body cam, I still don't have his audio. So,
Okay, so you need audio.
So whoever was in the car, allegedly my client, was taken out, was pulled over while at an undercover officer's car, and the person that was in the passenger seat was taken out of the car and talked to by a non-undercover officer. I have not gotten any audio or video, and quite honestly, my client's identity has never really been verified as to being the person in that vehicle.
I requested all the video and audio on the 9th. I can look into what the holdup is, but.
Please do.
Let's just take another week's bite, so to speak, and set it for next Tuesday at 2 to give the state time to try to track down your discovery. Would that be good?
Yes, Judge, that would be good.
And Alexis, just let him know whether it exists or it doesn't exist. And if it does, let's get it to him, and then you can educatedly figure out what's going on.
Okay.
All right. Got anybody else today, Ben, or is that it?
That's all, Your Honor. May I be excused?
Okay. You're good. Thank you, sir.
Sorry about the echo. I had to go into the hallway.
Okay.
Okay, Your Honor, Gabriel is on the last page, Your Honor, the very last one.
Okay. And I've got Jose Hernandez, correct? There you are.
Yes.
Hey, Gabe. I've got 641-583 Texas for Stella Fuertes. And are you in contact with your client at this time?
I am, Judge.
And have you received an offer from the state yet?
I just want to clarify with Mr. Maru what we discussed via email.
Okay. You want to go in the chat room, or you want to talk to him right now? How do you want to do it?
Just real quick, Judge. I was just curious. You sent me next, so a judgment satisfied, is that same as time served?
Yes.
Okay, so a plea of no contest, time served, case final judgment, case over, correct?
What was the defendant's name again? Sorry.
Fuertes.
Yeah. That's what we're talking
Okay, perfect. Yeah, well, Judge, my client accepts that offer, so how are we gonna do a plea?
What I
Okay.
will do is I will reset it for March 11th. We're not doing pleas next week. And I will send you the paperwork. What I will need from you, Mr. Hernandez, is her email address so that I can send you the Zoom invite and also send the paperwork, okay?
Okay.
And it will be the 11th at 2 o'clock.
And so does she need to show up at 2 o'clock?
Yes, on that day, yes,
On
because it will be a plea.
Will do. Thank
We
you.
have to do the paperwork.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thanks, Gabe.
Thanks, Judge.
Now we got everybody we're gonna get, probably.
Well, let's see. It's gonna be 4 and nobody's set for 4. And then you just tell me when you decide you want to close this.
Close this.
Why don't you just wait the 7 minutes? I'll get off Zoom.
Okay, we'll bother our DAs for 7